Yeah. Happy New Year to everyone. Okay, ma'am, what's your name again? Mary Grace. Can we recruit her? Can we? Please, someone talk to her and get her in. Ayan. So, it's nice to be back here in this area, in this part of town. So I came here, and a lot of our agency leaders also came from this district. And do you know, this is a fact, 50% of what True Life UK is producing now came from this branch. So you need to be proud of where you are right now. It has produced countless winners, countless agency leaders, countless agents. And it has served the community well. It has served the community with the life insurance products, catering to the needs, catering to their wants. So let's continue the legacy established by our big boss, Boss Tessie Kowa. And of course, I also would want to thank friends. We have built a lot of relationships. We have built a lot of fun memories. No? Let's continue the legacy. Let's continue of having the spirit of family. No? So, and another thing, I would want to thank everyone, no, for doing your part, and let's continue this 2026 to rise up and to continue to serve the community. To close, I would like to share this to you. In Numbers 6, verse 24 to 26, the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face to shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace. So, blessings to all of you. Cheers to everyone. Happy New Year.
Cheers.